Good afternoon. I'm excited to have Shane here with me today. Shane Corbin is the Senior Director of Technical Product Marketing in the Data Center Group at AMD. Welcome, Shane. I'm so glad to have you here with me today.
Thank you, James. Great to be here.
It's great to have you here. Shane, welcome to Cisco Live here in Amsterdam. We're super excited to have you here, and we really want to talk a lot about our partnership and the innovations we're working together to bring to our customers in the marketplace. So let's start out talking about AI infrastructure.
Yeah, it's a very exciting time for AI infrastructure, and with the partnership between Cisco and AMD, we're certainly seeing new capabilities come to the market. At AMD, alongside with Cisco, we believe the future is Ethernet for AI, and UEC is driving the standard. We both jointly have driven that standard to fruition. And we've brought products to market, the Polara AI NIC 400 alongside our MI300 Instinct GPUs and our EPIC CPUs with UCS and Nexus Silicon One switching to enable next level performance for training workloads and inferencing workloads for AI. They're enabled through some of the key enhancements that UEC brings to the table around congestion handling, in-order delivery, packet spray, RAS, and multiplane, which allow customers to unlock new levels of performance for AI. What we've seen in some of our testing with Polara AI NIC 400 is up to 25% improvement in collective communication library performance with the Instinct GPU series running on UCS with Nexus Silicon One switching. So a huge benefit for our customers in terms of overall performance. And we're really excited to work on some new joint technologies as well with Cisco going forward.
Yeah, no, that's great. Well, you brought up a really important point. The network is really critical for AI infrastructure. It's an important part of the foundation for the performance. Yesterday, as you saw, we launched our G300 from Silicon One. You know, that's a 102.4 terabyte liquid-cooled solution that's really built to power and scale the next generation AI data center. Tell me a little bit about what you think of that product and the opportunities you think it provides us.
Yeah, that's a very exciting scale-out switching platform that Cisco are bringing to the market. And I think it fits very well with our next generation rack scale architecture based on the MI450 we're bringing to market, where we're also upgrading our networking component for scale-out to up to 800 gigs. So the Volcano AI NIC 800 gig adapter also supports 200 gig SerDes and is a key component, and there will be great synergies for our customers in that area. The key thing, one of the key aspects of Volcano is it allows customers to do up to 50% higher bandwidth from a scale-out standpoint per GPU than competitive NICs with the MI450. So a huge bump in performance we'll get, which will align pretty well with the scale-out infrastructure, the scale-out networking that Cisco are bringing with their next-gen platform. Additionally, what's really cool is our programmable flexibility we brought on Polara in terms of the UEC functionality we've developed on the adapter. All of that functionality and those performance gains carry forward on this new next-gen adapter we're bringing to market in 2026 alongside the MI450 rack scale solution, which is up to 72 GPUs in a single scale-up domain. Truly an incredible next-generation product for AI based on Ethernet from AMD.
Yeah, great. Well, look forward to seeing that. Now, we can't talk about AI without talking about security. You know, AI is all about taking your data and getting better outcomes. Mm-hmm. And when data is involved, security becomes paramount. So talk a little bit about some of the collaborations we have in progress to really deliver on that critical capability of security in your AI outcomes.
Yeah, security for the enterprise and AI is a challenging space when you think about it. But some of the joint innovations we've been working on with the Nexus Smart Switching with our embedded DPUs and Hypershield enables customers to build a full stack security architecture for the era of agentic AI. If you look at agents, securing agents is a significantly more involved process than securing traditional enterprise applications. They're non-predetermined behavior, random behavior patterns. They're they access multiple data sets, they act on behalf of users, and if compromised, the breach and the attack surface is pretty broad in terms of impact. So some of the key synergies we bring with our solution with Hypershield and the Nexus Smart Switching is we fuse security natively into the network. You have a common policy orchestration layer with Hypershield, and within this platform, what you truly have is a stateful firewall at every single port on the switch. So, unlike an ACL, status, connections are tracked, state is inspected, it logs like a firewall. So truly a compelling platform for next generation security in the data center for the era of agentic AI.
Yeah, absolutely. Agentic AI, L4 security in the network, it's critical for our future.
Absolutely.
Well, thank you for being here. Thank you for the partnership. I look forward to the things we'll continue to do together. Appreciate you being here with us.